What's going on, guys? So this video is for everyone that's having an issue connecting to your internet, connecting to your Wi-Fi on your Roku. Uh, I was connected to internet fine for Roku for a while, and then one day it just stopped and I wasn't able to connect. But today I wasn't having that. So what I did was I unplugged my Roku and plugged it into a TV closer to my router. And I just hooked up the internet again, just turned on my Roku with that TV. Like I said, reconnected to the internet, and I was able to connect. And then I brought it back to my other TV further away from my router, and it maintained the connection. So I was really surprised that that worked. There was also another way that I know other people use, which is a sequence of buttons on their remote. And what they would do was press the home button about 5 times, and then hit this button, boom, 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 boom. So what you want to do is just press this a bunch of times, and then go like that. And then it brings up a menu here. You want to go up, click on System Operations menu, and click on Disable Network Pings. And that's what I did, and just unplugged it, took it to another TV, did everything that I told you, and that's it. Then brought it back to my other TV, and that was it. So if this video helped you guys, you should try it out, guys. I mean, it worked. But if this video helps, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. So thanks, guys. Take care.